There was integrity when there were rules. And social media changed the rules. The podcast community changed the rules because there are no rules. There are no guidelines. There are no FCCs. There are no copyright infringement. And then the rules got even more blurred with TikTok because they can play any artist's song on that format and not to pay any money. So that's why you hear all the popular songs on TikTok because it's based in China. So they don't have to deal with copyright infringement. So the rules are so blurred and the rules are kind of like out of control. Just like everything in life, gun control's out of control. People can wear a gun, don't have to get licensed. So because we live in a society where everybody is really, really me first, or what about me, then it's come away. Social media has its good side, but it's devalued a lot of the honor and the integrity of reporting versus media as well as relationships. Well, a couple of things I'm working on. Of course, I have my popular podcast called Money Making Conversation Masterclass that locally airs every Tuesday, 6 to 7 p.m. on WCLK. And then I'm working on a really great podcast that's called Living Your Life. It's hosted by Junior from the Steve Harvey Morning Show, who has sickle cell disease. And it's co-hosted by Dr. Hebert, who is a 25-year ER surgeon and one of the leading experts in the field of sickle cell. And it launched with last week with Earthquake as our first guest, and it's been a tremendous because we're trying to change the narrative or the stereotype of what sickle cell is.